Testing one, two, three. All right, what's going on, beautiful people? We are back for another stream. It's been a minute, it's been a few days, a very eventful week for the AI community. And a few of those things we're going to touch on, but this is going to be a real, practical stream. It's a few different things that we're going to do today. So, what we're going to do is one second. All right, so right here, March 15th stream. The first thing that we're gonna do is update the AI Educate website. So that's a little bit of a web design vibe coding. Um, I'm gonna show you guys what we started with and where we are now, and we have to do a few more things on that. So that might take about 15-20 minutes. Then we're gonna get into creating an AI movie with Higgsfield. Now, I've seen a lot of C Dance too, and seeing the generations from that, it gives me a lot of hope. And I'm not a cinematographer, I'm not a videographer, I'm not a movie minded person. So it's gonna be interesting to explore all of the tools in Higgsfield and how it can help us actually create an AI movie. We're gonna talk about the OpenClaw lie, which you guys know. We have my guy Martin right here. He's been texting me all night. Little cron jobs. But yeah, so we're gonna talk about the OpenClaw lie. Then we're gonna talk about what I wish I knew before using OpenClaw, because I mean I would have saved tons of time and money, and I want to save you guys that time and money. And we're going to talk about how we can actually get to AGI. So what do we actually need to do? Like what do we need to build? Is it even possible right now? So if any of those things are interesting to you, definitely stick around, or come back in 30 minutes and come to a different part, or just watch the stream after it releases. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get the likes up. Let's make sure that more people can see this stream. And without further ado, let's get into it. So really quickly, let me see. Restart capture. All right, cool. All right, so right here we are inside a Stitch, and I was remaking the AI Educate website, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before. So this is the before. I used Gemini 3.1 Pro to do a revamp on this, which was a mistake. It actually looked much worse than this before I um denied the CSS styling updates. But this is the website, and as you guys can see, it has tons of information. Like the links are all there, but it's just too many words for me. I don't like a bunch of words on a website. Me personally, I would like it to be more visual based. But you know, some key things that we're gonna keep and some key things that we're going to get rid of. So this is where we're coming from, and this is where we are right now. Well, no, this isn't it. Let me see. Right here. And that actually reminds me, I need to put an announcement in the community. But this is the new website. So I wanted to have this earth with like the blue glow and like the stuff, and then I wanted the hero section to be right here. So we got this far, and we kind of revamped the sections of the website so that these are color coded, these are more informed, you can view the full archive, you got featured videos and stuff like that right here. But there's still a lot of dummy data on this website. I like the way that it's turning out, but it's still a lot of dummy data. So what we're going to do today is fix this to be deployable or deploy ready, and we are going to just go ahead and deploy it, and then we'll move into the next part of the stream. But yeah, man, that's the plan for today. Let me see. One second, one second. Okay. Where did my window go? So I actually have it on two different windows, which is really stupid. So we're gonna do it like this. So as you guys can see, it's much cleaner, like much cleaner. I like this look a million times better, and we're gonna build it out more. So right now we are inside of anti-gravity, and inside of anti-gravity we are utilizing codex, well not codex, GPT-4 or 5.4, and we are um creating images for the website. So this is one that I created. I just took a screenshot of the community. That reminds me, join the Educate community. Let me make an announcement in there right now. We are currently live. Let me see. All right, bam. We're gonna get this link. We're currently live. Bam. Okay. So we're creating images for the website, and we're getting mock-ups, and we're making it better. So um the next thing that I kind of want to do on this is fix this section right here. So the latest from the lab section, and we're gonna turn on Speakly, GemSpark Speakly. We could use Whisper, but I'll use Speakly for today. So on the latest from the lab section, I want this section to look better, and if we can actually make it so that when I click on one of the featured videos on the side where it says more resources, that it will show that featured video inside of the main window where it says platform walkthroughs right now. I kind of want to, even if it's just a hover, for me to hover over Gemini 3 Pro makes coding so easy, and then it shows a preview of that video or the video thumbnail or something of the sort, in order to make this look better, and just reformat the entire section. But I want you to utilize these videos here. All right, so what we're gonna do, these existing videos. Why they see honestly? Yeah, I'm not using Speakly, bro. I'm not using Speakly. It's changing my words too much. I'd rather it not do that. We'll use Whisper. So now I'm just gonna get my um YouTube links. Let's see. Right here. So we're gonna get our YouTube links of our most recent videos. Copy. Let me do this. 1, 2. Let's do 3. I really like the thumbnail for that one. Let's do 4. Actually, let's do this one. It's just like an hour long. And then let's do 5. Do 5 right here. All right, cool. So that is working on that section. Now we're gonna make another tab. We're gonna minimize this, and we're gonna look at whatever else we want to fix. I think that this final CTA. So I need a copywriter to make this better. So what I'm gonna do is oops. What I'm gonna do is I have this elite copywriting bot, but I'm gonna basically take a full screenshot of this, which we're just gonna have it small like that. We're gonna take a full screen capture of this. Hopefully it works. Yeah, okay, perfect. So we're gonna do this. We're going to allow, we're gonna download that. We're gonna plug this into my elite copywriting bot where I can now go through each section of this website and and make sure the copy is not placeholder copy or talking about the wrong thing for that specific section. There is some text on the website that should not be there. I'm gonna just say that. And we are going to send this to our elite copywriting bot. I'm not so sure I have this public. Oh yeah, I do have this public. So I can make this public for you guys if that's something that you would be interested in. But yeah, so yeah, bro, I'm not sure what's going on with this thing. It is absolutely just, whenever I try to record my entire like monitor, it just doesn't reload. It just does not reload. So I'm so sorry about that, guys. Let me see. Screen capture, display capture, so cursor, high OBS capture. All right, let's see if it'll work now. But yeah, so we put our screenshot of our website inside of our elite copywriting bot, and this is now giving us copy for what we need to do. So based on my prompt, I said it's some stuff that doesn't need to be there. So it's giving different verdicts on all of this stuff. Nothing looks like placeholder copy here. Okay, cool. Nothing looks like place code. Messaging matches the brand and page purpose. It's on topic and not placeholder. This is not placeholder. It talks about the homepage itself instead of helping the visitor. See, this stuff I don't want to be here. Start with product resource. You could, okay. All right. Give me a prompt that I can use to make all of these changes to the copy. All right. So turn this forward. All right. For section currently saying feature one strong piece is gonna start with the latest thing. All right. So we're going to give this to another one. This one has been working for 5 minutes. Why is it searching? I found the block. It's still a static featured embed with a simple resource list. I'm reading that slice now. Okay. So it's trying to create the component where it's basically allowing the hover to show up that video. So we are going to get this other prompt from our other AI. We're going to go inside of here, open a new chat. We're going to paste this whole entire thing. And what I need from you, go section by section for each thing. Identify section name, current copy, whether related to the structure of the article or content. Okay, cool. So this sounds like it's doing it. Okay. So we are going to send that. So now we have 2 agents working on our behalf to do work. So if we go back right here, we have 2 workers right here. And this, you can open agent manager and you can go to, I guess I don't have, I thought it would have showed up in here, honestly. Oh, because this is Codex. Okay, never mind. Disregard. But if I'm being completely honest, Gemini 3.1 Pro seems like the worst model right now. Like it genuinely seems like the worst model. I don't know if you guys have been using it, but it's not looking too good. And I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, I don't even want to use anti-gravity because it has this terrible agent, and my quota for all of these things are, on cooldown. And 3.1 Pro, 3.1 High, like they're just not. I don't know what is going on with them, but they just are not performing good at all. It's actually pretty sad, but you know, it is what it is. So we have two bots working for us. This is our old website. We're gonna get rid of that. And we were inside a Stitch, and this is how we created the new look for the website. Basically, I gave it this screenshot and I gave it this inspiration screenshot, and it came out with this, which is cool, but not cool enough. Like it's not cool enough. I like the video there. I like these big things, but it doesn't look as good as this one, in my opinion, or at least this base plate. So we are going to continue building this out. We even are able to have a preview. So if we open new tab, we can have a preview of our website inside of Stitch. And if you haven't used Stitch before, I would definitely check it out. It does some of the best UI generation um here, and you get the code, you get the images, so you can literally just create your website there. Don't waste your tokens messing up stuff, and you know make sure that, okay, so this was different, but make sure that you get the actual result that you want before you send a prompt to your agents to get stuff done. So those are still working. And let me see the website. Let me see if I want to make any other changes to this. I don't like this, but I kind of want to wait until the copy and this new section is done so that we can, take a look at those things. And I just want this to be a place where you guys can go and have everything from AI Educate in one place. And I may even add on like some type of login feature where you guys can access a prompt library or a template library, something that can be very, very useful. I know I've tried a ton of different things when it comes to inspiration, templates, stuff like that. So if that's something you guys would be interested in, definitely let me know. I'll build that up very, very quickly. Um, but let me see. So the thing is, on the other pages, it doesn't necessarily um like change the look of it. So if we go to the blog page or we go to the all products, so this is the blog page, which this is kind of the same old blog page that we had. Same animations, same look over here, which is cool. I don't hate it, but I think I need it to be a little bit more. I think I need it to be a little bit more. So, and we got that button right there with the orange. I think we're gonna keep using orange, but when you go to the resources, you got these big tiles, like it does the job. We actually got a sale yesterday on the new age marketing, getting customers with AI. So if you're interested in that, definitely cop that now, and you'll get an email with that document. But this page, um yeah, so hopefully it's not done. Awaiting response. It wants to do browser navigate, allow this section. Yeah. So this is browser use. If you don't know, when you are vibe coding, your your AI agent most likely has access to browser use to check its work. It's not loading right now. Browser install. Let me see. It may be because I already have it running. Let me see. But it didn't look like it it did the changes that I'm looking for. Like if it's talking about, oh, I need to check this, but I like that it okay. Okay, guys. You see that? You see that? That's fire. You can click it and it'll stay. This is fire. This is fire. We just need to make the actual section smaller. But that looks good. I mean, it looks good. But let me see. Yeah, it's not even pulling up. I'm sure it'll get through that. Kill. Yes. Yeah, but let me know what you guys are working on. You know, beautiful morning. Great timing to get on Lovable or create some AI images or anything like that. So let me know what you guys are working on. You know, we're always experimenting in the AI lab. So we're running literally one experiment today, one full experiment. And that's gonna be the AI videos. If we can, well, the AI movie, if we can make an AI movie with just Higgsfield. So bam, this is the update. It is it's changed the hero section to have way more text. We can see that automatically. Learn AI without the hype. Start with the path. Helps you understand where AI fits, what tools are worth your time, and what to do next. Cool. Yeah, we just gotta fix that section. So I think it's but a live copy on screen doesn't fully match the text in the full live editor. Browser hover. You know what, bro? I kind of want to get his full access. Honestly, I'd be risky like that. Like I give my AIs full access. A lot of people have expressed a lot of fear when it comes to that, and I'm like, bro, I have no fear when it comes to that. Like even if my AI agent, let's say tomorrow, my AI agent just absolutely, you know, exposes me. Like, let me see. Like imagine my AI agent literally expose me. I think that would be crazy. All right, it's still working. Let's see, is the other one done? The other one is not done yet. 9 minutes. 3 out of 3 tasks completed. Is this all the changes? Applied audit. Is it still doing an audit? Verify updated. No, it says it's done. It says it's done. So yeah, it's done. This one just isn't done still. Keep exploring more resources. Browse by topic. Hover to preview. I like it. You know, like it's hold on. This one. I like it. Like you guys see this hover. I really like that hover effect. Like it changes the title, changes the link, changes the video. Like I really like that. But I think that these just need to the section just needs to be fixed. So we also have resources down here which it changed this. I didn't want it to change this. It changed this. Um so I'm gonna delete the changes on that, but I really liked the lines on top of there. So yeah, I'm gonna so bam, it's finished. We're gonna go through the changes, and this is what I recommend like everybody needs to do. If you are vibe coding, you need to be looking at the actual changes that it's making. Like what changes is it making to your stuff? Let me see. Open up the codex diff, homepage redesign. So it'll be closer towards the bottom. More resources, watch on YouTube platform. Feature one stronger piece of content. Okay. Latest from what section is this? Start AI tools. Browse all AI tools. It took the. Why did it take that away though? Eyebrow. Title, description. Huh. We're just going to take a screenshot of this. Make sure the AI tools section looks exactly like this. I think all you need to do is add the small color bars on the top of the cards. All right. And what did I latest from the lab block? Okay. Let's go over here. Reload this. Oops. Go here. npm run dev. Head to that. All right, so updated copy, updated copy, updated copy. We need to fix this section, and we need to fix this section. And yeah, okay. Fix. So I'm about to take a screenshot of this. We are going to open a new chat. For the latest from the lab section, I want you to fix the spacing of the actual cards. Everything looks good with the cards and the functioning is great, but as you can see inside of the screenshot, the divs in this section are far too long and they drop down too far. Let's just say that. So bam, we got that agent running. Did our other one finish? This was our copywriting one. This was our update video layout. Did we send this? We didn't send this. So we send that one. Make sure the AI tool section looks exactly like this. Bam. We're going to go back. We got 2 running. And let's look at it some more. And this is the process of vibe coding. If you don't know, you know, this is the process of vibe coding. We got our OpenClaw texting us. But you continue to make changes. One thing that I like to do whenever a new model is coming out, I kind of like to reimagine a website that I've been building. So if let's say GPT-6 came out tomorrow, I would go to this website and I would see what GPT-6 would reimagine this site to be and things of that nature. But you know, if your agent doesn't have good agent skills and UI design and stuff like that, it's just not going to give the absolute best thing. So you really have to work with it. And we have this tool library. Really like this. Start here. So yeah, it's coming together. I think we need to utilize more images. We only have literally 2 images in here. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a grid behind here. That's like subtle, really subtle. And we had some type of light, like we had some type of light. Yeah, there it is. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a blue light that like goes across the screen. So we have a couple of visual cues, but nothing I would consider too crazy. So the card accents are patched. Bam. Car accents are patched. Let's see. So you did not do what I asked you to do. Adjusted the AI tools block so it lines up with the reference more closely. The section heading button copy now matches the mockup. Brother. No. No, bro. Like, what? I want to get some color on top of these. Was it the same way? Was it? Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Um, it didn't fix it. Like it needs to make the padding responsive and make it so that it's not long, bro. Like, let me see. Awaiting response. Browser navigate. Approve this session. So bam. It's looking at it. It's looking at it. We need to change our Favi icon so that that's our logo. We'll make it probably the blue logo. Yeah, man. Let me see. Did it do it? Okay. I'm honestly, bro. I'm about to just go full access, bro. I'm not trying to keep approving. I do not want to keep approving. Oh, we're dropping frames. Okay, we're good. All right, so it's going ahead and doing this thing. I think after we do this, we'll go ahead and ship it. I need to get rid of this, or at least like change it. I kind of wanted to do like a scrolling thing, a scrolling effect somewhere on here. Maybe like directly under this section or something. But I don't know. We'll see. We may do that on a different day. But let me see. Still going. Look at the blog and all products pages and make sure that they match the new styling of the updated homepage. All right. So that is going to change these pages right here, this one and the other one, which I like this page as it is right now. It's cool, but you know, you know, I think it'll make a few updates. Okay, so this no, it did not fix it. So how can we do this? Update section live fix car spacing and latest tab. So the left player panel is stretching to the same height as the playlist column, which creates the. I'm fixing the grid alignment so now each column keeps its own natural height. No, I still want it to be 2 columns, brother. I still want the section to be 2 columns. I want the video that's shown in the preview to be on one side, and I want the more resources on the other side. So right now, the change that you made was making everything in line on top of each other, but I want a split section where one side shows the video, the active previewed video, and on the other side there are cards that can be selected, and I just want the margins and the padding on that to be fixed. So should I get it to do it from here? I think I'm gonna get it to do it from here, yeah. And like all of these like these div blocks, like putting everything in blocks, like AI loves to do that. And It did that for this image right here, and I told it, no, don't do that. Okay, so we have our colors. Wait, did we? Okay, no, no, no. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. So the cards got fixed. Um, we're gonna do something with the footer section. Let's say I want to do something with the footer section. So surprise me and make it look better. And by okay, let me change that. Ready to start section. Ready to start section. Let's do this. All right, let's get this. On the ready to start section, just above the footer on the home page, I want you to reimagine this and make it look much more appealing, much more presentable. It is the last thing that people are going to see. It's going to be the last call to action. So I want you to make this extravagant and worthy of being the last section that people see on the website. Like stuff like that. And this is the thing, bro. Like when people say, or not people, when AI experts say we don't know what they're doing, we don't know what the AI is actually doing. Like when I say I want it to be worthy of being the last section that people see on the website, like what is it really doing in that? Like what is it really, how is it understanding that? That's what really um makes me curious. Like how is it interpreting worthy? Like how does it know what worthy is, you know? But we have three bots running, fixed card spacing. Hopefully it's fixed now. Let's regenerate. Okay, they're back on the side. Let's say um hmm what is the best way to do this? And this is where Stitch is gonna come in. So um I wanted to zoom out and get the whole section. So we are going to take a screenshot of this. We are going to put it over this whole section. We're going to take the screenshot. Then we're going to go back over to Stitch. And we are going to get this right here. Reimagine the attached section of the website, and the idea is to have a split section where one side shows the active hovered video or resource to preview, and on the side of that are other resources that the user can hover over or click on to put it in the active preview spot. So, and it's using 3 program. Like fix the spacing. Fix the spacing. All right, so it just put it back right there. What are other agents doing? Elevate footer and align the blog and other websites or other page. Import header. Huh. Deleted. Blog slug page deleted. No. Hold on. I've settled the implement one shared page theme helper, then direct one shared page theme helper, then direct. All right, so let's see. It's still making the changes. This one, elevate footer. It should have been done this. Larger split layout. All right, cool. So those are running, and honestly, I'm pretty satisfied with that. Like once they make it bigger, 150. This is like the normal website size. So this section right here, let me see. This section right here needs to really be like um I want to keep the titles, but maybe the description doesn't need to be here. And maybe this playing in the main player thing doesn't need to be here. Playing in the main player. Like I don't think that needs to be here. So let me see what Stitch gives us. Let me see. Go to screen. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. We're about to screenshot this. We're going to say, hey, make this section exactly like this. The same information. Yeah. Make it exactly like this. Let me see. Latest from the lab. Make the latest from the AI lab section exactly like the provided screenshot, but using the videos that I gave you before or that already there. But I want to use this exact layout. Brother, stop it. All right. So bam. That's exactly. You know what? Let's use a 5.3 codex. Let's use a 5.3. I don't know. Maybe 5.3 codex might make me happier. But yeah, man, let's get into it. So we got Stitch to recreate our thing. Bro, it's already up. It's already up. Like, come on. We got Stitch to reimagine it. I think that this is a great way to put it. You got 3 things on the card right here. You got a call to action, want personal tutoring, view all resources, bam, bam, bam. And it's gonna make that change. We have 2 other ones still running. This one is still on. Wow. That's pretty crazy. It's completely reworking those 2 pages. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, this is the blog. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this one, guys. Oh my goodness. There's no way. You guys cannot see my screen. You guys cannot see my screen. It's bro, my I don't know. I'm gonna find a fix for this by next stream, but like my screen does not refresh when I'm doing stuff. Update channel. Let me see. Is this still? Yeah, it's still making changes to this website or this page. Video hotkeys. Huh. Snap sensitivity, enable system track preview, importer studio mode. Show preview program, enable porter. Treasures the scene when double click. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find a fix for this off stream, but this is supposed to be the new products page. I don't hate it. I do not hate it, but I don't like it that much. This, I don't like this. I think this should look different. We gotta do this different. What is this? Atlas? Oh, this is Google. Yeah, let's open this inside of here. And we are going to get this to go full page. Copy image. We are going to go here. This is the blogs page for the AI Educate website, and I want you to make it flow much better. At the top, it should say blogs, and under that, it should have cards for the blogs. And you can keep the same styling, but I just want it to flow different and the format and layout to be different. All right. So we're remaking that. Excuse me. Don't know what's going on here. I guess it said, "Oh, I need to try the mobile version," you know? And they're still working. They are still working. But the thing is, like, they're all trying to do browser. They are all trying to do browser nav while the other one is also trying to do it. So it's funny. It's funny. They're all trying to check their work at the same time. AI lab section to screenshot, validate the visual result again. Like one agent may kill the browser session for another agent just so they can check their stuff out. Yeah, man. All right, so that's been rebuilt. If we go to localhost, so dollars in credits for Stripe fees. We got videos. You see this? This is almost perfect. Almost perfect. I don't want the section to move when I have bigger, things. But I like this a lot. I think that I'm going to remove this little thing, this little button on it. Let me see. Codex div. So where's that button? Circle play icon, arrow right icon.
Okay.
Like, it's genuinely not a circle. I mean, an arrow. Um, I know this is on top of it. I know this is on top of it. Let me see. UR resources, accelerometer, autoplay, allow full screen, lazy. Huh. Let me see where it implements the play button. So this circle play icon we need to find inside of here, which we're gonna accept these changes. Well, we don't have to accept them. Circle play. Circle play. Bam, right here. Circle play icon. I want this to be removed. Remove the circle play icon. This is just not working. Select the video progress label. Circle play icon. Remove the, let's do this medium. Set is playing. On click set is playing true. On click set is playing true. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it for right now. I'm gonna leave it for right now, and I may get it to redo that. But it changed this section again, which I don't like. Stop changing my sections, man. Stop changing my sections. How about that? We had the colors up there. We had it. right here. We had it. Then I need those colors. I really like those colors. And especially because this site it doesn't have too much color on it. I think that it needs those colors. But are all of our bots done? Yeah, all of our bots are done. We have elevate the footer, call to action. Let's reload this. No. See, this I don't know what in the world. I don't know, bro. Bro, stop it. Are you kidding me, bro? No. No, no way. No possible way. Um I think for right now, it didn't do this over. Let me see. Align blogs. Oh no. We have Stitch doing it. So Stitch, bam, look at that. You guys see, man, look. This is what we're gonna do right here. Change the orange to blue. Make the blog page look exactly like this screenshot and change all of the orange color to blue from the screenshot. All right, we're gonna put this on extra high. I'll send that. So, I mean, it's a no-brainer. Which one is better for sure? Like this one is 10 million times better. This one is 10 million times better. So, uh, rewrite it in Rust. I've heard a lot about Rust, but I really don't know what Rust is. Is that crazy? Is that crazy? Let's find out what Rust is. What is Rust? What is Rust? Is it a coding language? I'm assuming. Rust is a modern systems programming language designed for. Oh, okay. Fast like C, safe like higher level. Okay. Let me see. So so I can have like, bro, this might sound like such a stupid question. So can I have like Rust code inside of a specific section, and then all of the other code is just like other languages? Like, I don't know, bro. Let me see, bro. I don't want to sound stupid. Like, I do not want to sound stupid. But we got the blogs. So the blog is going to be the last page that I create. And if it gets this right, which I know that it will, then we are going to deploy this and we're going to start working on our AI movie. I'm excited for the AI movie. Yes. With okay. All right, cool. Um just use Deoxys if you're building a website. Deoxys. Deoxys. Deoxys Rust. Full stack class. Okay, one code base separate platform. Components. We love components. Cool. And which section were you saying it's for? The section, not this section. Like inside of this section? This one? Honestly, Codex did a good job with this. Or did you mean this section? The tool section? I'm not sure. Or maybe this. The footer section. I don't know. Honestly, I don't want to stick on this way too long. I don't know where these came from. Bro, what in the world? Where the dots at, man? Um Hero section. Latest video briefcase. Function CTA button. I like it. I like it. It'll work for now. It'll work for now until we step in, rewrite everything. Rewrite everything. Is that the new meta? Is that the new like should I start my projects in Rust? Like should I just only be using Rust? Is Rust the best language right now? I didn't know that. I've heard a lot about Rust, but I don't know. I kind of correlated it to like I don't know, smaller projects, lightweight projects, full physics. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. This stuff is cool. I mean, it looks cool. Let me see this GitHub. Built for web, more with a single code base, zero config setup. Not even in 1.0. Ooh. You brought me here early, bro. Um, built for web, unique features, 3 line cross-platform apps in 3 lines of code. Ergonomic state management. Okay. Beautiful apps. Okay. Native renderer. Okay. All right, cool. So I if I'm gonna take your word for it. This may be a better approach. So I'm not going to look into it this stream, but we'll definitely look into it another time. It looks like this is just a much better, more efficient language, and you're saying full physics engine in WASM. I gotta fake sound technical so people don't think I'm stupid, bro. I'm non-technical. It's a reason why my channel says non-technical AI walkthroughs. Non-technical, non-technical. But yeah, we're gonna look at that. I'm gonna put it in my notes to check that out. I don't know what's going on with this right now, but check out Rust and Deoxys and WASM. WASM 200 KB. All right, cool. So let's see. We had our anti-gravity remake this and this. Let me see. Localhost. This is the product that it gave us. Okay. I don't hate it. I like it. But that's incorrect, I think. I think that can stay. I think this can stay. Because I'm gonna link this to I want this to be linked directly to my Beehive, but for some reason, Beehive just does not want to give anybody API access or the ability to do stuff on their platform in terms of third party. Use logsec for notes. Logsec. I was just using Apple Notes. Logsec. What in the world, bro? Connect your notes, increase your understanding. Increase understanding. This is fire. Bro, this is fire. Today, everyone is a knowledge worker. PDF, flashcards, whiteboards. Wow, is this like open source free? Daily plan. Well, I didn't write a daily journal. Wow. No, this is nice. This is very, very nice. Thank you so much for that recommendation. Thank you so much for that. Sync. Encrypted file syncing. You'll always have your notes backed up. I like it. I like it. Let's look at this GitHub. Is it? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, it is. It is open source. Wow. Ah, that's fire. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy this website really quick. And we are going to just leave it as is right now. So for deployments, all we are going to do is commit, let's say, a complete redesign March 15, and we're going to commit that, commit all the changes, sync the changes. I think we need to build again. Honestly, it might have used some different stuff inside of here, so it needs a new package.lock. Package lock.json. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, cool. So that is our website. We're going to close this out, and that's going to deploy on its own. I have that being deployed via Firebase. So if we go here, we go educate landing, then we go app hosting right here. Right here. It is automatically deploying, and you guys cannot see my browser. That is so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. Okay, so this is automatically deploying on its own, and it failed. So let's see why it failed. Let's see why it failed. And I'm pretty sure it's because of the same thing that I literally just tried to do. No, lightweight, step exit, yeah. npm error, invalid, missing, invalid. Failed to build. Let's do all the way up to 165. npm error. Does not satisfy. These are different. We're gonna give it the whole thing. So apparently we're not done, and apparently my whole entire screen is just messing up right now. I'm not even sure. Not even sure why, but we are going to give this back to Codex to fix. Matter of fact, we're going to give it to Gemini 3.1 Pro High on fast. We're going to say fix this. Fix it. Okay. Honestly, bro, I don't even know what. I don't even. Bro, this is so hilarious. Like, you gotta know, I'm not from this. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what I thought this was like normal. 3K errors, like I thought this was normal. I mean, it wasn't doing anything. And it's mostly WordPress stuff, isn't it? Yeah, see, WordPress content. All this different stuff like robots. Like it's a bunch of different errors. So um I don't know. I just haven't paid attention. I mean, the site works, so I've just kind of okay. And this is okay. Let me move my camera. Let me move my camera. This this is why Google and anti-gravity are about to get put out of business. This is why. This is why right here. Our servers are experiencing high traffic right now. And here's the thing. I wouldn't have a problem with this, but this is a everyday problem. If I am paying for anti-gravity, why in the world should I have to worry about high traffic? I don't care about high traffic. Fix your servers. You're Google. Fix your servers. So yeah, that's my TED talk. Let me bring this back down. My little rant. Get this. That's too small. Um, this put that over on the side. So we can't even use, bro. I'm so tired of Gemini 3.1 Pro. Like honestly, I think that they should just get rid of the model altogether. Like just destroy the model, burn the model. What in the world? Like it's just, man, come on. Like I literally encounter that agent terminated due to error every single time. Every single time. I have quota, at least for 3.1 Pro, but honestly, okay, yeah, I don't know about the errors. I'll look into them another time, but I mean the website works, so I just and it doesn't cost me. The errors don't cost me, so I just kind of let it stay there. All right. So let's see if Codex can get this for us so we can get this deployed. And is it running? Is it going to run? Let me see. Oh, it's done. That was weird. Um, the fix is already in master at commit. Cherry pick there first. Shouldn't be. Let's let's try this one more time. Latest commit. It said 22 something. 6.3. All right, cool. There it is. So it was using the wrong commit for some odd reason, but we are going to copy this. We're going to do latest. Let's just earlier commit, bro. Let's just do it manually. But yeah, honestly, if I'm being honest, I'm going to I'm gonna save the AI movie creation for another stream. And or should I? Should I do it this stream or should I save it? I don't know. But we got to get this deployed. 3K errors, is that a lot? Is that a lot? Is that a lot of errors? Update. Yeah, see, that's what I was trying to do. Oh, I gotta run npm install, not npm run build. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's like little rookie stuff like that. Like I really have to, keep reminding myself about. All right, so we should be able to just close this out, and we will check back on that. But I need to put this in my notes too. Logsec. All right. So let me put this inside of the community just for anybody that wants any type of. Let me see. Share. Anyone with link, copy link, bam. Yeah, if anybody wants to use the copywriter bot that I'm using, it's trained on copywriter stuff, so it should work pretty good. But let's put it in free resources. Edit. Bam. Elite copy writer GPT bot. All right, cool. Publish. Done. Now you guys can go get that if you want to. All right. So now we are going to get into Higgsfield. So if we go to Higgsfield. All right. So this is Higgsfield. If you've never used Higgsfield before, this is basically like a creative hub, okay? So when you want to create images, when you want to create audio, when you want to create videos, come to Higgsfield. I have 86% of my credits, which is 1,000 something. And we are going to use all of these to create a movie. We're going to use each and every last one of them to create a movie. So, they have a bunch of different resources and tools to help you do this. So at the top, you have image, you have video, audio, character, edit, mood board, contest, cinema studio. And what we're going to do first is create our cast. And that is with Soulcast. So Soulcast allows you to basically, and I only experimented with this one time. They have this whole entire portal that allows you to use different changes of settings, and that's like impacting the prompt and stuff like that. So it makes it easy to go ahead and create videos. So basically, I want to show you guys this. We went in and we created these images. Let me zoom in. So we created these images. I wanted a female actor that was inspired by this actor. So I'm just gonna run through it really quick. The soul thing. Creating a actor and stuff like that. We're gonna go to new project. So bam. The cast. All right. So right here. This is where you are going to be able to create your characters. And let's say we want to let ChatGPT give us an idea. I want to create an AI video for my first time, and I want you to give me the idea. I don't want you to help me create it, but I want you to help me come up with the cast members, the movie genre, the error, the budget, and anything else I would need preliminary to be able to create this. But first, I want you to focus on the main cast members. It should be only, it should be up to 3 or 4. All right, so we'll do that. We'll do that. And the one cool thing about this is that basically you're using these selectors, and if you go sci-fi, it's going to add that bubble there, and you can click out of it. But psychological sci-fi thriller. All right, so boom, a sci-fi thriller. We'll have thriller and sci-fi, or just thriller, or maybe we should do sci-fi as the base. Let's do sci-fi as the base. We're gonna have the budget. The budget. Let's just say like maximum budget. Maximum budget. We want this to be the most extravagant video that anyone has ever seen. So we have a $500 million budget. We are going to set the era to, I want it to be the 2020s. Let's do the 2020s. We're going to do the archetype. So we have an AI neuroscientist. So creator, magician, scientist, hero, caregiver. So this is the archetype. Brilliant, obsessive, morally conflicted. The creator who lost control. The creator. All right. So we got a creator. This is Dr. Alara Voss. And we are going to go to identity. We're going to do female, physical. Actually, we're going to go to race. This is going to be a blonde bob. So this is going to be a white person. The age is going to be 34. Okay, so we're going to put 35. The physical appearance is going to be, let's just say, average. And this is what I really like about it. Like, all of these bubbles are basically settings and parts of the prompt for creating this character. So the height, we're going to do average height. Eye color, we are going to do blue. Hairstyle, we are going to do a medium. Do they have a bob? No, they don't. Hair texture, we are going to have straight. Hair color, we are going to have blonde. Details, we can add freckles, facial scars, tattoos, eye patches, whatever. We can actually do something custom if we want to. We can have piercings, all types of stuff. But we're just going to leave it blank. In the outfit, we're going to have as a neuroscientist outfit. A neuroscientist outfit with a white coat. Let's get rid of this. A neuroscientist outfit with a white coat and glasses. Okay. So we're going to apply that. Physical appearance. Okay, cool. Eye patch, glasses. Clear eyeglasses. Clear glasses. Going here. Coat. White coat and white shirt. Do they wear white shirts? All right, cool. So we are going to apply that. And now we have literally everything that we need to be able to create this character. So we're going to click generate, and it's going to generate the cast. And it's going to give us, I believe, so 5 different versions of that. And we are going to now do Marcus Hale. He's a cybersecurity specialist. So we're going to go here. Keep everything the same. We're going to make this guy the realist. realist, sage. Would it be a sage? Innocent, innocent. Maybe it should be innocent. Black turtleneck, lab coat. Ooh, maybe we should change it. Maybe we should change it. I really like that one. But okay, let's just say innocent for Marcus, former partner, skeptic. He's a skeptic, so he's innocent. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. So let's go to identity, male, race. This guy is Marcus. He's black. Short beard. He's black. Yeah, he's black. Age, he's 38. Let's put dang near 40. Physical appearance, we'll put um stocky. Let's do stocky. Height, tall, eye color, brown, hairstyle. We're going to do short, bald. Let's make him bald. Bald with a short beard is what I would probably do. But we can do the facial hair. So we could do, okay, we don't need that. Black facial hair. So long beard. They said short beard. Short beard. Okay. Let's do long beard. Let's do long beard. We don't need that for the outfit. We don't need that, but we need like workwear. Dark jacket. We're gonna put this inside of custom. Bam. So now we're gonna get two versions of that. Cannot start generation. Please try again. What do you mean? Stop it. Please. Cannot start generation. Like, what do you mean, bro? What do you mean cannot start generation? All right, let's just focus on this one character, and maybe we need to do another character somewhere else. But so Dr. Ilara Voss, an AI neuroscientist. This is her. I like her. I like her right here. And the cool thing about the cast is that it gives you this layout where it shows the front, the back, and a close up. So you can basically use this inside of Higgsfield to be able to create other stuff, or you can use this anywhere else to be able to have this consistent character and use it. So you can also get exclusive rights. This is $5 per use, but let's say you create a character and you want to not, you don't want anybody else to be able to use that character, you can actually save that. So this is our first one. We're gonna go ahead and use in similar cinema element, single image character sheet. Yeah, use the character sheet. And we can create a scene with this. But before we do that, we are actually going to still work on our cast. Can I create my cast, please? Like, I just want to create my cast. Brown, straight bald, 40-year-old male, stocky brown. Ah, that kind of sucks. That kind of sucks. Cause, dang, that kind of sucks. Oh well, we'll do it over. All right. So we go to cast, and we're going to do sci-fi, 500 million, era 2020s, archetype. Where this guy is innocent, identity, male, race, black, age. He's gonna be 40 years old. Physical appearance, stocky, height. We'll have him as tall. Eye color, brown. Hairstyle, bald. Hair texture, don't need that. Hair color, don't need that. Facial hair, long beard. Facial hair color, black. Details. No, he doesn't have anything. Formal workwear. Let's do workwear. We're gonna do utilitarian tech gear. So now we're gonna generate our next cast member, and bam! While that's going, we are going to go to cast again. Oh, I guess this is an interesting tool to use, honestly. Bottom left. Bottom left. I need to put my studio mode. 1 second. All right, so this is this guy. That guy's definitely not black. That guy looks too. This guy, that guy looks like the best choice. If I'm being honest. All right, let me see. Live, 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 live. All right, cool. Did my what just happened to my what just happened to my thing? I'm not sure why that did that, but so this is our cast member. I'm gonna use this guy, Malik Barnes. I'm gonna use this guy. Um, looks good. Looks good. Save as element. Let's just download this image. Using cinema. Character sheet. All right. So this is how you're gonna get to the part where you're creating the videos. Now we have two characters. We have two characters right now. We can create a scene with them both. We can create a scene with just one of them. We can do whatever we want. So, and then my camera stopped, bro. I am tired of this, bro. Honestly, to say the least. Multiple active on the selected device. Multiple system effects. All right, there we go. All right, so you can create a scene with both of these. You can get different batches of them. You can get a image with both of them. Different sizes, different resolutions, all types of stuff. You can get a grid, an upscale one, all types of stuff. You can also choose the camera. So this is actually my favorite part right here. If we right here. So the camera, you have some recommended ones, you have some saved ones, but you can choose your camera, you can choose your lens, you can choose your focal length, you can choose your aperture, all types of stuff. And this is all going to go into the prompt that you create. So let's say we want to use a premium large format digital, and we want to use a critical, let me see. Let's use Sharp Prime. Let's use a 35 and let's use a 1.4. Okay. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to say um inside of a laboratory, a doctor is speaking with a cybersecurity technician while the doctor is holding a clipboard and the technician is, you know what, bro? Is in the laboratory with image 2, and they are speaking together. They are speaking together. So, bam, we gonna do 2K. We're gonna do 2 batches, and we will do 16 by 9. Yeah, 16 by 9 is good. So, bam, once it lets us generate, we'll generate. All right, generate 4. Bam. And now those are generating. So basically, if you're new to the stream, we are currently inside of Higgsfield creating a AI movie and exploring their cinema studio and seeing exactly how this is working. We created a couple of cast members already. We're about to actually create another cast member. And go right here. Do sci-fi. Budget 500 million. Era 2020s. This one is going to be Iris, the anime manifest. Whoa. So this is going to be the mirror. What? Calm, curious, unsettlingly. Huh. The explorer, the rebel, the everyman, the hero, the everyman. Yeah. The everyman. Um, this is gonna be a female human avatar of the AI system. Porcelain skin, silver eyes. Let's do. Let's do. White. Age. Mid-20s. Mid-20s. Physical appearance is gonna be slim. Height is going to be average. Eye color is going to be blue. Hairstyle is going to be very long. Medium. Let's do medium. Um this is going to be wavy. Hair color is going to be white. Yeah. Okay. And then details, no facial. Ooh, okay. So right here, this is where we can make it look robotic, okay? So robotic facial features and camera lens eyes. I don't know if that's gonna work, but porcelain skin, silver eyes, silver eyes. Let me go back to eyes. Eye color. This is silver. Uh Subtle glowing veins under the skin. Subtle glowing veins under the skin. Let's see if this actually gives us what we're looking for. White minimalist clothing. Apply that. Generate. So bam. I'm not so sure this is going to give us the exact product we're looking for, but I think that it can if it wants to. So we got all these new projects. We go to image. These are still generating. No, they're not. Okay, bam. So look at this. This is our legit first generation of our two characters. And we just wanted them speaking together. We have them face to face. We have this one as well. And what we can do is animate. We can literally copy this image, go over here, give me a image to video prompt to animate this scene of two characters talking when no. Yeah, I'm gonna just do give me an image to video prompt to animate this scene of two characters talking. Two scientists stand finish. No. They're not two scientists. You know what? Microfacial expressions, natural blinking, subtle ways, somehow respond better. Okay, cool. Let's do this. We are going to put this in here. We can have enhance on or off. We are going to enhance on. We're going to have audio on. We're going to be using Kling 3. And we are going to put this to 15 seconds. And we're going to put it to 1080p. We're going to use 30 credits. Let's go. Let's go. So now this is going to take a long time. So we have time to check out our cast and stuff like that. Bam. Oh. Okay. I get it now. I get it now. So I'm not sure if that's a bug to where the cast can't do something. Yeah, this is not going to work. I don't like this one at all. So oh, it actually generated it this time. It did 5. So what did we do wrong? I wanted to have maybe we need to make it look a little bit different. Just a little bit different. Let's see if some more like this one could work. Oh wow. That's not a good. No. Elena Voss. This one could work. This could be Iris. Um this one could work. But I want to edit this. Edit change the clothing to make sure no skin is showing other than facial skin, and change the outfit to, let me see, so white minimalist suit, wait, uh full body suit. Yeah, I want it to look like this, like uh something like this, honestly, something like this. Like I want it to look robotic, you know. Skip for now. Let's see. We're gonna take a screenshot of this. We're gonna say, hey, if I wanted to describe this clothing descriptively to recreate it, how would you put that together? And instead of the color that it is, you make it white. All right. So, bam. Clean reconstruction of form fitting, full body. Okay. Natural shape. of the torso. Okay. All right, cool. So, bam, we're going to generate this edit, okay? And we're going to see, wow, that can't be Iris. That can't be Iris. Let's go over here. We didn't. So we actually animated this outside of the cinema studio. So we can change the speed ramp, which impact, speed up, slow mo, linear, custom. You know, you can do all types of stuff. Change the duration, and what we can do, multi shot auto. Let's see. Where did our stuff go? Did it just disappear? Oh, when you change it, I guess it just does that. Characters, locations. Hmm. Is it ready? Oh, so no, it failed. It failed to build. Honestly, usually if it fails to build like that, like I hold on. Yeah, it failed it. I'm not sure. Cloud build is in a failed state and hasn't started. Failed build status failure. So these are the logs. Error fetching get source. Retry budget exhausted. Um, fetch couldn't remote. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just try to use the latest commit. Since that is the latest commit, um, we're just gonna create rollout with the latest commit. Cause there's not any other branches or anything like that. Like it's just, you know. But let me see. Let's go to the video. Video is still processing. All right, bam.
Tony.
I've you the bematting might. Edel, you har uniform.
You didn't have to mean.
I'm not even gonna lie. This
Tony.
I've you the bematting might. Edel, you har uniform.
They're not even speaking English.
You
But that's cool. So, what we're gonna do is go back to Cinema Studio. We're going to. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. So we're gonna go back inside of here. We're gonna go to video. We're gonna go bam. We're gonna go bam. We're gonna go bam. We're gonna go bam. This guy. I wish. Hold on. Can we? Can I just save? Yeah, save it. Liked. Can I save it? Copy image. Using cinema image. Let's just download this girl, man. And go back to video. Got him. Got her. And what I want to do is Let's see. I kind of want a scene where Iris is coming. So let's go. This one did not get edited. This one. This this looks like a robot for sure. That just looks scary. That looks scary. You know what? Let's use this one just for fun. Let's use just let's use this one just for fun. Honestly. Okay. So go back over here, go to video. We're gonna input this one. We're gonna oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Gotta try it again. Upload image. Bam, right there. All right. So we got image 2, image 1, and image 3. Uh I'm actually gonna give it to this. Okay. Did I make a clean 3.0? Nah, clean 2.6. Currently, I'm creating a clean 3.0 video utilizing the maybe it's not clean 3.0. That's inside the studio. Maybe it's not it. I don't think so. I don't think so. So we're gonna say is talking to image 1 calmly when they both are startled by image 3 running to tell them about a problem. Actually, when they are both startled by the lab alarm going off and image 3 runs in a automatic sliding lab door to tell them about a problem. Okay. Multi-shot 1080p. We got it on suspense. Let's do it on suspense. What is this? Special day, action, horror, suspense. Let's do suspense. Sound on 2 generations. Let's just do 1 generation. Multi-shot, auto, multi-shot, manual. Handheld movement. Static, handheld. It's gonna have to be different stuff. All right, let's generate this one. Let's see if AI Educate has deployed. It has not. Oh my gosh, bro. Am I just gonna like I'm about to switch to Vercel anyway. All right, bro. I don't know. We're gonna have to deal with that later. But we're about to get our video. We created our cast and we can create more images. 2 are in there and they're speaking together. And then at image 3 runs in the lab room while so maybe we can get like a in progress shot of Iris running. So we got all of that generating. And I think that what would make this easier is if we created a GPT for this. So if we trained a GPT on all of the presets or all of the choices that you can make inside of Cinema Studio, and then, excuse me, and then get all of the prompts for the images, get all of the images, all types of stuff, then I think that this can be a super, super easy process to be able to, create stuff. And okay, so this was incorrect. We said image 1 is in laboratory with image 2. That's a white guy. We have a black guy. So that's incorrect. But that's retrying too. So we're going to let this video generate and we will be right back. All right. All right, we're back. I thought this would be done by now, but I guess it takes 10 million years. I guess it takes 10 million years. I'm really interested to see this video output because it has image 1, image 2, and image 3, and it's multi-shot. So I'm interested to see this. But this is gonna be the last thing. We're winding down. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, be sure to put it inside of the chat. But also join the AI Educate AI Lab. Tons of free resources here. So these are affiliate links. Try AI platforms. They help support me, the channel, and everything in between. And you could just click on here and go to anything. This one is OpenClaw skills. I use OpenClaw day in and day out, and I am always giving that man new skills, and he's also creating skills for himself. Matter of fact, I want to show you guys his website. So, bam. This is a website that my OpenClaw made, but also he made this one too, and he made this one and deployed them all himself. Okay, this is what's up. What are you vibe coding? So right now, earlier we were vibe coding our website. Currently, it is something's wrong with the deployment, but these are websites that my OpenClaw has made and deployed himself. So we actually passed the vibe coding section. We're actually about to close out. But if you want to see the website, so if I open it up right here, I go. I think I need to do MPMI. I think I need to do install real quick, and you know what, bro? Moderate fixes. 552 critical. You know what? Let's just fix this right now, bro. What AI model is this? So this is GPT-4 utilizing GPT-4 subagents as well. So Martin is my OpenClaw, and I'm gonna be honest. The first outputs that it gave me looked nothing like this. I had to give my OpenClaw skills. I had to create a UI UX design agent that's specifically going to create websites or create the actual look. And this was definitely not the first the first look of it, but let me see if I can show you guys this website. So this is the website that we were working on today, and this is where we started. Let me see if I can find. That's not it. Build details, website screen, floating image. So this was what it looked like before, or this is what it looks like right now, and it just has too much information on it, and we just decided, hey, let's remake it. So this was the remake. A few different bugs right now, but I'm going to fix the cloud build so that it can actually deploy and you guys will be able to see this. But it's also going to be embedded right here. So the current website is embedded right here, but you know, of course, it's not good. Yeah, because I was wondering, normally ain't that good, but with all the, yeah, exactly. So what you want to do, like whenever you're trying to do something, you just want to, you either want to find someone that's already done it and copy their skill, or you want to get your OpenClaw to do it and make a skill out of it. So you can go to Pinterest. I have a board that has just, you know, UI, UX inspiration. And what I can do is copy the image of any of these and say, hey, recreate this and create a skill, or give the UI, UX designer a skill on recreating this style. So now if I say, hey, I want a funnel with a video at the top, then it'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, skills are definitely the powerhouse of AI agents, and I don't think any of these. I mean, in Anthropic skills, of course, they have a front end designer skill, front end design, but it's not the absolute best. Other people have created much better skills, but it's definitely a trial and error. I mean, you can very easily get your AI to build out that version and then that version and then compare them. So that's what I would recommend. But this is one of the styles that I'll be using repetitively with my OpenClaw build team, and this is basically going to be like a template that they can use. So if, let's say I have a client that wants me to host their website and just build it all with AI, I can use one of my templates that I have, or use one of the specific skills that my UX designer has already built out for itself. Okay, our video is done. I'm bouncing around everywhere. Our video is done though.
If you're here, it means you want it quiet.
Don't move. That thing only screams when it's hungry. It's not a drill. Containment is drifting. 2% every 10 seconds. Lock it down.
We don't have that kind of time. If you're here, it means you want it quiet.
Okay. We didn't give an extravagant prompt. We did not, but
if you're here, it means you want it quiet.
Don't move. That thing only screams when it's hungry.
This is good.
It's not a drill. Containment is drifting. 2% every 10 seconds. Lock it down.
Artifacts, but
We don't have that kind of time.
for the most part, that's a nice video. That is a nice video. It's like handheld camera. That's a nice video. All right. So that's it for the Higgsfield part. And yeah, these are the websites, brand resonance. This is actually for my business. Right now, this has too much text on it, so I'm gonna redo it and stuff like that. But yeah, this is his website though. He likes to, or I told him to build this, you know. So yeah, man, but that is the end of the stream. I don't know. My sizing is all messed up. My OBS, I need to fix my OBS. But I mean, this is the 11th stream. So if you're here early. By the time we get to the 200th stream, you are going to see a completely different type of show going on. But I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Shout out FB5531 and shout out Harold. You guys kept me company, and I appreciate you for stopping by. I hope you learned something or explored something. You guys definitely helped me learn stuff. So looking forward to the next stream. The next stream will go over a number of OpenClaw things that I was supposed to go through today. But be sure to join the Educate community. The link is in the description. And yeah, man, I will see you guys in the next stream. Peace out. Have a great rest.